If there's something that you want to create in your life, one of the biggest things you have to release is fear of failure. So often people are so afraid to fail that they don't even try at all. They think, what if I do all this work and it doesn't work out? And that becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, because if you don't take any steps towards it, then how is it ever going to work out? So in today's EFT session, what I'm going to help you do is release all fear of failure so you can move forward toward your dreams in complete alignment. If you've never heard of EFT before, then you can watch some of my other videos on EFT to learn more about the process. And in this video, we're going to go through the EFT exercise. So to start, what I want you to do is rate your fear of failure on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 being you're not experiencing fear of failure at all, and 10 being that the fear of failure is really, really intense. So on a scale of 0 to 10, how deep or how intense is that fear of failure? Maybe you're a 7, maybe you're a 4. So just intuitively feel into what that is for you. Once you know what that is, we can start by tapping right here on the side of the hand. So I'm going to say the suggestions or the affirmations, and you can just repeat after me while tapping on the places where I say to tap and feeling into that emotion. Even though I have this fear of failure, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though I have fear of failure, I deeply love and accept myself. Now you can move to the top of the head. I have this fear of failure. I'm so worried I'm going to fail. You can move to next to the eyebrow. What if I get started and I embarrass myself? What if I do this and it just doesn't work out? And let's go to the side of the eye. Even though I have this fear of failure, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I'm so worried that things won't work out. And you can go underneath the eye. I don't want to be labeled a failure. I've seen people around me fail, and I don't want that to be me. Underneath the nose. I'm so worried I'm going to fail. I don't see myself as a successful person. I'm worried I won't reach my full potential. And you can go to the chin. I don't even know what steps to take. What if the plan I have isn't the right plan? How do I even know that this is even going to work? And you can move next to the collarbone. What if I take a risk and I lose it all? I'm so worried that it won't work out. I'm so nervous to take the first step. And you can go next to the rib cage. Even though I have this fear of failure, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And now you can go to the wrists. Even though I have this fear of failure, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Okay, great job. So you just went through the first round of releasing for EFT. So I want you to check in on your emotions. On the scale of 0 to 10, how intense is that fear of failure? So maybe before if you were a 7, now you're a 4. Maybe before if you were a 5, you're closer to a 2. And maybe you're at a 0. If you're at a 0, you can skip forward to the positive affirmations. And if you're 1 to 10, then continue on with me to do the releasing once more. So we're going to start again at the top of the head. I feel so anxious about taking a step forward. I'm feeling so overwhelmed about what to do next. And you can go next to the eyebrow. I'm so worried about failing. I don't want to look bad. I don't want people to laugh at me. And go next to the eye. I'm so worried about this not working out. I have this huge fear of failure. And underneath the eyes, even though I have this fear of failure, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Now, underneath the nose, I have this huge fear of failure. I'm so worried about being a failure. Let's go to the chin. How could I live with myself if I become a failure? I can't control the entire thing. There are so many things out of my control. And next to the collarbone, and even though I have this fear of failure, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And let's go next to the rib cage. I'm so worried about it not working out. I'm feeling so anxious about all of this. And let's go to the wrists. Even though I have this fear of failure, I deeply love and accept myself. Okay, great job. So now on a scale of 0 to 10, I want you to check into your body and feel on that scale of 0 to 10, how intense is that fear of failure? So hopefully now you're at a 0. So if you're at a 0, we're in a great place to tap in the positive affirmations. And if you're still feeling 1 to 10, then you can rewind and re-listen to the release aspect of this. So now again, let's start at the top of your head. I have faith in myself. I have faith that things will work out. There are so many reasons that I can be supported. There are so many ways that I am meant to do this. Next to the eyebrow, take the first step and the path will appear. There are people that want to support me. There are people that want to see me win. And when I win, I can show other people what's possible. Let's go next to the side of the eye. When I succeed, I can be a role model for other people to be successful. There are so many ways that I am equipped to do this. And I trust that I can learn more and more along the way. Underneath the eye, there's so many times in the past where things have worked out for me. And things are going to work out for me again and again. Underneath the nose, I am smart. I am capable. And I have so many gifts within me. Let's go underneath the chin. I know I am meant for more. And in order for me to receive more, I must be more. I'm going to believe in myself just like I believe in others. I'm going to give myself the same chance I would give others. And go to the side of your rib cage. I become better and better at what I do every time I try. I know that I am meant to do this. I am a successful person. I am an abundant person. And go to the wrist. I put more energy towards my faith than my fear. I put my focus and my attention on things working out for me. I am meant for more. And I give myself permission to live my yes life. Okay, great job. So you went through 2 release rounds and 1 positive round. And so check in on your body and how are you feeling? If you're feeling like you need 1 more round of the positive affirmations, feel free to rewind and watch this part again. And I am so excited for you to completely release your fear of failure. So EFT tapping works even better the more you do it. So integrate this into your daily ritual. Make sure to have a big drink of water because we moved a lot of energy today. Thank you so much. And let me know what other kinds of EFT videos would you like to see from me, and I will see you in the next one. By the way, I've put together a free abundance bundle for you. So in this abundance bundle, you'll get access to more subliminals, EFT videos, and a scripting technique that helped me manifest 6-figure months. So all you have to do is click down below in the description to get access to that. You'll also get audios that you can download so you can listen to some of my work on your own time. This is all to thank you for being part of our community here on YouTube.